Hey, what's up mga lodi natin dyan? Good morning at kumusta po? It's me, Dugong Pinoy, na babalik po mga idol. So for today's video mga idol, tara panoorin natin ng isang video courtesy by Believe dito ka G-Heart Music X Antidote Ban sa kanyang cover song na Collins, Another Day in Paradise. Let's go mga idol at magbigay tayo ng reaction kung gaano nga ba kahalimaw itong si G-Heart Music sa kanyang live dyan sa Pilipinas sa Music Museum. Let's go mga idol. Don't forget mga idol, palike and subscribe sa G-Heart Music sa kanyang YouTube channel. Oh yeah! Tsak na magugustuhan nito mga lodi.
She goes out to the man on the street. Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I'm nowhere to sleep. There's somewhere you can tell me. He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can hear her. Started to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice. Just another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice. Just another day for you.
Oh yeah!
You and me in
G-Heart Music kasama
think about it. She goes out to the man on the street. He can see she's been crying. She's got blisters and her soul's in the feet. She can walk but she's trying. Oh, think twice. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. Just think about it. Oh Lord, is there nothing more anybody
galing
can
talaga no?
do?
Grabe.
Oh Lord, there must be something you
Panis.
can say. You can tell from the lines on her face. You can see that she's been there. Probably been moved on from every place. Cause you didn't fit in there. Oh, think twice. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. Just think about it. Oh no. Just
Galing.
think about it. It's just another day for you and me in paradise.
Yun po mga idol, ang ating G Heart Music sa kanyang cover song at talagang sa live mga idol. Phil Collins, Another Day in Paradise. G Heart Music mga idol, kung nagustuhan nyo ang kanyang live performance mga idol, na talaga naman dyan na po sa Pilipinas at nag-perform na po ang ating malupit sa isa sa ating mga singer, no? Na talagang amazing. So please comment down below mga idol at huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like and subscribe sa kanyang YouTube channel, G Heart Music. So hanggang dito lang po mga idol. Maraming salamat. So, don't forget G Heart Music sa kanyang YouTube channel. God bless mga idol at ingat po kayo lagi.